ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 Group B Match number 30 Sri Lanka vs Australia. Match played at Pallekele International Cricket Stadium, Pallekele, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka won the toss, elected to field first. Australia team 20 overs, 181 runs all out. Tabi's hit is the highest scorer, 56 runs, 29 balls. Then Sri Lanka team best bowling spell, Dushan Hemanta, 4 overs, no maiden, 37 runs, 3 wickets taken. Sri Lanka team 18 overs, 184 runs, lost by 2 wickets. Pathum Nishanka is the highest scorer, 100 runs, 52 balls, not out. Then Australia team best bowling spell, Marcus Stoinis, 4 overs, no maiden, 46 runs, 2 wickets taken. Sri Lanka team won by 8 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Pathum Nishanka. Congratulations Sri Lanka cricket team.